welcome back to my channel. So on Instagram about a week ago, yeah, I think it was, no, maybe it was just like a few days ago, I did like those little polls that you can do on your Insta story and asked what y'all would like to see more, a spring morning routine or an updated room tour. And, or no, I asked y'all two polls. I said, would y'all like to see an updated room tour because I changed my room all around, or would y'all like to see outfits of the week? And they were pretty equal, but I'm actually going to be doing outfits of the week with a collab with a very fun person. I'm so excited to do that, so that'll be up hopefully in the next few weeks, so y'all see that soon. And then I did another one where it was, do y'all want to see my fitness routine for my week, or do y'all want to see my spring morning routine? And let's look. What one? So for fitness, it was 64% for fitness and 36% for a spring morning routine. So let me know for y'all personally, because I know I have different Instagram followers, blog followers, and like YouTube followers. It's definitely very different because y'all are all different. Some of y'all just find me through Instagram, some of y'all just find me through YouTube, and some find me through my blog. So if y'all want to see maybe more, y'all want to see spring morning routine over fitness, so I'll do both no matter what, but depending on what y'all want to see more, then I will, depends on which one I'll post first. But yeah, so I have just really been wanting to change my room around. I went back home to Houston last weekend, and I got my Vanity that I had in high school. And it's been really hard with school and like having so many like chapters and like just like books and stuff like that to read that I've fallen asleep in bed I don't know how many times, woken up in shock at like 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning because I have like 10 chapters I have to finish reading, and I've only read 3, and I have class the next day. So definitely I needed a desk, something to sit at. And y'all are probably like, well, why don't you just go sit in your kitchen and stuff like that? Because my room is like this might sound weird, but it's like where I like recharge. Like, I love my room. I really enjoy being in here, especially whenever I'm studying and doing stuff. I feel like it just kind of gives me more motivation. But I was kind of like lacking in it, just how it was. It'd been the same for so long that I was like, this is so boring. Like, there's nothing new, there's no substance. Like, I'm not liking it anymore. So I grabbed this and was like, I don't know how I'm gonna make all of this work. Things are gonna have to go, and I just don't know how I'm gonna do it. And so that was really, really difficult and really hard, but I took out my nightstands, and it's been nice though because I've been plugging in my phone up here. So like when I go to bed, like before I go to bed, I can just like not even worry about anyone texting me or anything. Like whenever I plug in my phone and like leave it, it's done. Like I'm not looking at it for the rest of the night, which has been really nice to like help me just like, Ellie's playing with her toys if you can hear her. It's been really nice to just like disconnect in the evening time. So Ellie, that's so violent, dude, stop. She just got a new toy today at PetSmart, so she's super excited about it. Yes, you are. If you have any other video ideas for me, then just leave them down in the comments. And speaking of my Instagram, I will pop that up on the screen so that y'all can go follow me. I am definitely trying to do more polls, so that way whenever I do polls, y'all can like, you know, be involved with it so that I'll know what my YouTuber subscribers like and all that kind of stuff. So definitely go follow me there, and yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so this is my bedroom door, and right here I just have my go-to baseball caps, my go-to scarves, and all of my everyday purses. Now moving on to my TV area. If y'all have seen my previous bedroom tour, y'all already know that this is all the exact same as it was before.
You're calling, I'm falling, don't know what it is you do to me, yeah, where you go.
Okay, so I have recently gotten this basket for Ellie to put all of her toys, and I got that at Target. There's my yoga mat and Ellie's little bed that she sleeps in every night. And then this mirror used to be by my bed, if y'all remember that, and I moved over here and it gives me so much more space.
A million mistakes before, maybe I'm going crazy, say you feel the same now that we dance.
Under here is where I just keep my binders for school and my slippers.
Looking at you when you're on the floor. 5, 6.
Now moving on to my favorite part of my room. My fake peonies are from Home Goods. My paperweight boss lady is from Home Goods as well. My little 2 Glam to Give a Damn is from Target. And my journal / planner is from Target as well. And my coaster is from Anthropologie. And my candle and candle holder are from Bath & Body Works.
Heartbreak, that's usually how it goes. I have done a billion mistakes before.
So this is Ellie's little business area, as I like to call it. It's where she does her business, if you know what I mean, and eats and just drinks and does all that kind of stuff. Then I created this little sitting area. The bench used to be at the end of my bed, and I decided to make it into a sitting area because I thought it was cuter and would give more space. And then my favorite trend right now is the Newsboys hat trend, so I got all of the ones I have and just put them on the wall for easy access.
Yeah. Ooh, baby, I am ready for that.
And y'all may recognize this wall as where my bed used to be against, and now it is moved over and sitting against where my mirror and my hat hanging thing used to be.
Heartbreak. Where you go, I follow. Let's go out and dance tonight.